Welcome back to Foxtecc. Today we're going to talk about how to delete recent calls on your iPhone. Whether you want to manage individual call entries, clear your entire call log, or just get a better handle on your recent call records, I'm here to guide you through the process. These steps will work on the iPhone 15, previous iPhone models, and iPads. So essentially, if your iPhone is relatively new, this should work for you. First, let's open the phone app on your iPhone. You can do this by tapping the phone icon on your home screen. Once you're in the phone app, you'll see your recent call log history. If you're specifically looking to manage missed calls, you can tap on missed at the top to see only those calls. To delete an individual call entry, it's quite simple. Find the call entry you want to remove, then swipe left on it. A delete option will appear, and you can tap on that to remove the call from your history. This is a quick and easy way to clean up specific calls that you no longer want to see. If you want to manage and remove multiple call log entries at once, you'll need to use the Edit button. Tap the Edit button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Once you're in edit mode, you'll see red minus buttons appear next to each call entry. Tap on these red minus buttons to delete specific calls and then confirm by tapping the delete button that appears. For those of you looking to clear your entire call log history, there's a straightforward way to do that too. While still in the recent call screen, tap on Edit, and then you'll see an option to clear at the top left. Tap Clear, and a confirmation window will pop up. Select Clear All Recents to delete your entire call history. This will remove all your recent calls in one go. It's worth noting that these instructions apply broadly across different iPhone models and iPads. So whether you have an iPhone 15, an older iPhone, or even an iPad, you should be able to follow these steps without any issues. Just make sure your device is running a reasonably recent version of iOS. So, to recap, managing your recent call logs on an iPhone involves opening the phone app, swiping left to delete individual entries, using the Edit button to manage multiple entries, and using the Clear option to delete your entire call log. It's a simple process once you know where to look and what to do. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to Foxtecc and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. Peace.